and I bring you fire. I'll take you to burn.
Hey everybody, welcome to Studio 64. My name is David. I've been searching the interzones for more science, space and tech news to share with you. Came across this over on X, formerly Twitter. And from Wall Street Sheet. Yes, Rivian cars on fire today at the Normal, Illinois plant where they are manufactured. About 60 caught fire. This was a couple of days ago on August the 26th. Absolutely fascinating. I thought these were supposed to be good for the environment. Check this out. I'm thinking that big cloud of bloody fuming, whatever you want to call it, coming out of it, ain't too good for the environment, and actually building them was not good for the environment. Yes, getting all these precious and rare earth metals from bloody Africa where they're exploiting little black children to be taken over to China to be manufactured in coal-fired, to be powered in a factory fired up by a coal-fired power plant. 300 million more tons of coal in 2022 alone just to end up like this. But apparently these things are better for the environment. Oh, lordy. Fascinating. Oh, look, a big old fuck you diesel fire truck. Oh, excellent. I wonder if they're just going to sit there and let it burn. Because they can't put water on the darn thing. Oh dear. Absolutely incredible. And there's the factory, and that's where the fire was. Absolutely amazing. And I love some of the comments. This is hilarious. Everything wrong with green energy on full display. New rule, if your lot has EVs, you need a 40-foot hole and a bulldozer in case fires happen. I love this one. This is copium. Watch this. Anyone check the videos? Sounds like something Musk would do. So they're blaming Elon Musk for it, ironically, on X. He owns X. And if you check the videos, you might find him and Vance as in JD Vance setting the fires. According to Fox News, they are talking about putting the competition out of business. What a better way than to set fire to them. Oh, my God. I'm surprised they just didn't blame Donald Trump for it. Donald Trump farted today. That's all his fault. Fascinating. They probably got more from the insurance for burning them than if they would have sold them, allegedly, of course. That doesn't seem good. Oh, really?
Well, duh.
Where's Greta?
How dare you?
Toxic cloud of death. Which way did the wind blow? Near a town, perhaps? It's time to make electric cars illegal. They damage the planet more than in the last 100 years as gas-powered vehicles. Yes, it's fascinating, isn't it? Yeah, so I just find that quite interesting. We can drive around smugly with a Black Lives Matter sticker on the back of our electric vehicle. Ironic, really, isn't it? Yes, I bet those Rivian fumes are good for the environment. Which proves my point, as far as I'm concerned. I love new technology, and I think technology is absolutely and positively fantastic. But what the hell is this crap? This is happening more and more and more. We're seeing these electric battery fires on a regular basis. We see them here in Australia all the time. Yeah, people having their electric bikes in the middle of the hallway, and the apartment building bursts into flames.
This is the moment an e-bike battery exploded inside a Sydney hostel. Fire and Rescue New South Wales said a faulty e-bike battery left on charge is suspected to have caused the incident. One backpacker in his 20s sustained minor burns and 70 people were evacuated from the building.
And there was one video I saw of a gentleman who literally his battery exploded in an elevator. He wasn't a well boy after that. And the other ultimate irony is the factory is located in Normal, Illinois. What's a normal now, is it, for these things to burst into flames? Absolutely, dare I say it?
Dare.
Fascinating. Oh dear. So, there you have it. We've got another electric battery fire. This one on a much larger scale. Incredible, isn't it? Oh boy. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. Have to biggerize it. I'd greatly appreciate it if you liked, shared and subscribed. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. I'll see you in the next one. And as I also always say...
Please, Spock, do me a favor. And don't say it's fascinating.
No. But it is interesting.
5, 4,